So here we have a 36 volt Lektro used to move aircraft. Typically comes with 6 volt deep cycle flooded lead acid batteries, and you can see we have 3 of the 36 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries that are each 36 volt. They're all in parallel to the bus, and then the Lektro has the positive and negative going out of the bus. And because the Lektro needs to be able to step down 36 to 24 and 36 to 12, we have the converters running to the bus, giving them input, and then their output goes to some Anderson 175s here that the technician will plug in, jack into the plane. And there's the motor, converters, and the 3 lithium batteries. And we had to, Bello had to put some steel plates in here to add some ballast for weight, because the lead acid batteries are gone and they were supplying over 400 pounds or more than that of ballast. So the plate is going to take up that slack.